Hey y'all, this is Travis at Action Boat House. We are gearing up for the 2023 open house. We're gonna have all these Sea-Doo switches. We got a lot of Manitou, a lot of Quest, Skeeter, Polar Craft, Alumacraft. We got a whole new shipment of John boats in. Well, let's walk around and take a look at some of these deals. You guys can come cash in on before the open house, or if you want to come check them out in person. Check out this. You can get a pontoon, brand new. This is a 2023 Quest Lanai. This is a 16-foot pontoon. You can get one of these for under 30 grand next week. That is an awesome deal. But come check these out. We're gonna have a bunch of Sea-Doo switches here. We got a couple of cruise. We got a sport here. Like I said, a lot of Polar Craft, a lot of Alumacraft. We got some specialty boats here. Check this out. This is an 18-foot Quest Tritoon. These things are awesome. This thing is great. This has a 115 horse on it. So this is definitely the perfect pontoon to either relax, ski, tube, whatever you want on it. You got enough room in there. You can cruise around with a bunch of people. This is awesome. And then we got the Golden Nugget right here, this 2023 Manitou Explore. This thing's phenomenal. We look forward to seeing you guys here at Action Boat House in Waukesha, Wisconsin next week, March 28th through April 1st. There are going to be some great deals here. These guys are really excited to put some stuff together for you. We got all the best models in stock. They're on the floor. They're ready to roll. We're ready to make some deals with you guys. Tons of financing options. We look forward to seeing you guys next week.